Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. I've got a box opening for you today and it's the KitchenAid blender. 5-speed hand blender. And as you can see, it comes in a fabulous box. I wanted a blender that had a really long stem like this, so for obviously reasons, if you've got a deep pan of batter, you don't want the batter to get on the top of your blender. So there's quite a lot involved with this blender, and I usually use Bosch blenders, and the wattage on my Bosch blender is 750 watts. Now this one is only 150. It was about £100 for the whole thing, and there's a lot there for your money, and it does give a really good write-up. So John likes to find out all the details about everything, and he talked me into getting this one, so obviously he bought it as a Christmas present. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice case, which is unlike the Bosch, and we've got a chopper which takes 600 mils, and then we've got a 1000 mil pitcher, which is a kilo basically. Then we've got the motorised unit, which feels a little bit heavy at the moment, but it's got a push control on there, and it does 5 different speeds. So again, that's unlike my my Bosch. So we'll see what it's like when we try it out. It's also got a whisk. Pretty nice. And then it's got a short attachment, so if you don't want a really long attachment, that's the short one. And then you've got the long one here, and you can see it's really long. And then you've got your separate attachments that go on the bottom. So that's going to be your star blade to shred and mince. That's what that one is used for, and it'll just clip in the bottom here somehow. And then we've got another star tip here. Again, it does have the holes around, and it seems to just have a single blade there, a double-sided blade, where that's got a quadruple blade. This is probably the one I'll be using, but we can try all of them and see what they're like. This one, which I thought might come in very, very useful, quite unusual, this is a frother. I thought this might be good for melt and pour soap, or even making moisturizers, or foaming bath butters, which you'll see coming up. Not today, but in the future. So everything in here has a good use for me. And see how easy it is to attach. I guess I'll have to work that out. Now when I'm making a soap video, I'll show you how easy it is to attach. Hopefully it's not too difficult. The Bosch one is very, very easy to load up and get going. So that's it. That's the KitchenAid a 180 watt hand blender that will come in useful for all kinds of soap making, but when we use it we'll give it an honest review and we'll let you know very, very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.